Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are doing a playlist on the Leetcode questions, and today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 185. We have to find the department top 3 salaries, and this is tagged as a very hard question on the Leetcode. So let me walk you through the question first. We have the department table. We have only 2 departments. This is an example only. And then we have an employee. We have to find the top 3 unique salaries in each department. For example, in this table, if you see, we have these 4 IT employees. Why so 4, not 3? Because this is ranked as 1. These 2 have the same, and they are ranked as 2, and this is 3. For the sales, it's quite easy. It's 1 and 2. If it is less than 3, then you could just show only the top 2 only. Now, what we have to do, first of all, we have to get rid of this department ID with the department name, and this could be done with the inner join. First of all, we are going to do the inner join in the data grid and then see how we could proceed in this question. So let's go to the data grid first. I am in the data grid and I have prepared both this table and also inserted the data. Let's see this department first and let's see the employee first. So it's quite easy. I need to do a inner join to get rid of this department ID with the department name. Select star from department, D, inner join, employee, and I have to do this on department.id. Let me also D dot name I want, E dot name as employee, D dot name as department, and E dot salary as salary. These are the 3 columns I really want. And I will run this query now to check. Yeah, we are able to fetch this, and also let me do the order by department, D dot name ascending. Okay, we have this IT and we have this sales. Now let me just copy this. Let's go to the Excel. Now we have this stuff. So what I really want, I now want to calculate the rank basically, and I have to do the partition by rank. Which rank? I want to use the dense rank. If you have not watched my dense rank video, so please watch this and then come to this question, then only you could understand very nicely and crisply. Okay, coming back to this question, now what dense rank will do if we partition by the department name? Of course, these are my 2 windows, one for the IT, one for the sales. In the IT, this will be marked as 1, this will be marked as 2 and 2, and this will be marked as 3, and this will be marked as 4. Then this will be marked as 1 and this will be marked as 2. When we have got this kind of a derived table, is very easy. Now what we have to do, we have to just put a where clause on this column where the RK is less than equals to 3, and we are going to get these results. Okay, and we could return in any order. So let's go back to the data grid first. We are now in the data grid. We have to calculate the dense rank over partition by, of course it has to be on the department, D dot name. Now order by, how we have to make a dense rank? Order by E dot salary, descending order as RK. If I run this, see, we are able to get all these kind of a stuff. Now we have to wrap this derived table, and how we do this? Select star from, and what I really want, X dot department, E dot employee, X dot employee, X dot department, and X dot salary, where, let me just put in the new line, where X dot RK is less than equals to 3. This is what we want, right? Yeah, we are able to fetch everything. We could clearly see this is a tie at number 2 position, so that's why we have 4 for the IT department and we have only 2 employees in the sales department, and that's why we have written both the employee. Now let me copy this solution and we will go to the Leetcode and try to submit our solution and check whether everything is working fine or not. So we are now in the Leetcode 185 question. I have already explained this. I'm just going to check for the syntax error first. Let me check what kind of column I need to return. I need to return the department first. So department needs to come first and then the salary, then the employee and then the salary. Checking for the syntax error. Yeah, it's getting accepted. Let me just submit. Yeah, we are able to submit our solution. We are here. Let me just submit once again. We are now here somewhere. Okay, that's great. So you could clearly see with the help of these rank functions, dense rank function, the lag functions, you could solve the toughest question on the Leetcode with so much ease. So do practice them a lot. If you're liking the content, please like this video, please subscribe and please share this video to all your friends who wants to crack SQL interviews. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.